Welcome to the Royal Botanical Gardens in Hamilton. We are currently touring the Laking Garden. This is a panoramic view of the iris and peony collections which have already bloomed, as well as the perennial gardens. It would be especially spectacular in early to mid-July when the peonies and irises are in bloom. This section is named the Barbara Laking Memorial Heritage Garden. It includes many cultivars and species commonly grown in Ontario gardens between 1880 and 1920. As we walk down the steps, we walk through the Perennial Borders Garden. It displays a wide range of hardy perennials where visitors can observe their vast diversity of form, texture, color, and season of bloom. You may also notice many of these plants from your own garden, as perennials are a popular choice for many home gardeners. We are now walking through the iris collection. The collection includes award-winning bearded iris as well as miniature bearded, border bearded, tall bearded, Siberian, and wild species iris, and many others. The peak interest time for the irises are in June. This section is the Peony collection, which would also be in bloom in June. It has been in existence at the Lake and Gardens since the mid-1940s, and it is one of the garden's signature collections. As we walk past the peonies, we enter into the clematis collection. One of the first things you notice is the iron tree structures, which were designed and fabricated in Burlington. They help provide support as a trestle for vines of the clematis to climb. There are around 30 different types of clematis displayed in this area of the garden. The Hosta walk was one of the highlights to us in the Lake and Garden. It displays the diversity of the genus. Plus, if you have a shade garden at home, you probably have some of your own. Hostas are mainly grown for their leaves, as they have a great diversity in their leaf size, shape, with green, green-blue, white, and gold often represented as the foliage color. Hostas also have beautiful and fragrant blooms, but in the past decade, some hybridizers have actually made flower production and performance as the primary focus of their attention instead of the leaves. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more tours of the Botanical Gardens, we also toured the RBG Center, Hendry Park, and the Rock Gardens. The videos will be linked at the end. We also have a full tour which includes all of the gardens we have visited. We hope you join us for our next exploration.